Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 8936, which is used to claim the clean vehicle credit. So this form helps reduce your taxes if you purchase a qualified clean vehicle, so that's very important to fill it out correctly. Let's start at the top of the form. So first, enter your name and identifying number exactly as shown on your tax return. Now move down to part 1, which is your modified adjusted gross income. So in here, you'll enter income amounts from your tax return and follow the lines step by step to calculate your total. So this section is used to check if you qualify based on income limits. So just copy the numbers carefully from the forms listed. Next is part 2, which is for business or investment use of new clean vehicles. If the vehicle is used for business, you'll enter the credit amount here and follow the instructions to report it properly. Then go to part 3 for personal use vehicles. So this is where most people will fill out their credit. You'll enter the amount from earlier and compare it with your tax liability to figure out how much credit you can actually claim. After that, part 4 is for previously owned clean vehicles. If you brought a used qualifying vehicle, this is where you calculate that credit. And finally, part 5 is for qualified commercial clean vehicles. This section applies if the vehicle is used for commercial purposes, and you'll enter the total credit based on earlier parts. And once everything is filled out, review all your entries to make sure that they match your tax documents before submitting. And that's a simple walkthrough of how to fill out IRS Form 8936. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.